What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency.
You can't keep getting away with this! He can't keep getting away with it! He won't.
Making the mother of all omelets, dear Jack. Can't spread over every egg. Why won't you die? Can't hurt me, Jack. Nanomachine, son. The fuck was this, Senator? Die! Die, you piece of shit!
Pow. Still not dead? Oh my god. Boom. Look at this, guys. We're surviving because we got the 2 Ubers that I brought. They didn't get replaced, and that made life a lot. She's dead. Okay, we're doomed. We're doomed because I can't do the thing. Ouch. Should have left. Should have peaced out, you know?